The trial of a man charged in connection to a 2021 triple homicide has ended in a deadlock. News 8 Now's Dua Israr was at court this morning where jurors were unable to come to a unanimous conclusion.
It sounds as if you're deadlocked, and so what we're going to do is go ahead and excuse you at this time.
35-year-old Nya Thao was all smiles as he left the courtroom this morning.
We just know they weren't able to reach a decision today.
Jurors deliberated for more than 10 hours, but the jury remained deadlocked.
At least some portion of them that thought that there was reasonable doubts as to Mr. Nya Thao's involvement in the case.
Thao and 45-year-old Kamthaneth Ratanasak are accused of shooting and killing 3 men at the Ram Squad quarry on County Highway M over a $600 debt. Thao faces 3 charges of first-degree intentional homicide and possession of a firearm by a felon as a party to a crime.
They, of course, want to see something happen and people held accountable for the ones that killed their loved ones.
Ratanasak testified against Thao earlier this week and told jurors Thao had the gun in his hand.
To stop it. You know, like, dude, stop.
The defense argued Ratanasak lied multiple times under oath.
You try to put on the best case possible. You try to make sure that the juror gets the story and they get the evidence and that they respect the law. I got every impression that the jurors did that in this case.
La Crosse County District Attorney Tim Grinke says the outcome was disappointing.
Well, it's always disappointing when we don't have a conclusion, but I think it's hard to get 12 people to agree about much of anything, so it's really not that surprising.
Grinke says the case isn't over yet. Reporting in La Crosse, Dua Israr, News 8 Now.
If another trial takes place, it may not happen for another 4 to 6 months. Ratanasak will also have a separate trial. A bond hearing for Thao is scheduled for next week, and Thao will remain in custody until then.